In this video, I will show you how you can upgrade the battery on this rechargeable emergency LED tube light. This is the 30 watts 17 centimeters version, but you can do the same with the longer ones too. It has 2 brightness levels and a flashing mode. I did a test at the highest brightness setting to see how long the battery could last, and it remained bright for only an hour before it started to dim. To open the case, simply press the inner white part of the light to detach it from the blue section. Inside, I noticed they used a small 14500 battery. I thought it would be an 18650 battery, but it isn't. Also, there's no battery management system board to protect it from overcharging or discharging. First, we'll disconnect the wires from the old battery. Then get it ready to connect to this one SBMS board designed for lithium-ion batteries. The middle terminals connect to the voltage supply for the LED light circuit board, and the outer terminals are for the battery connection. I salvaged this 18650 cell from a laptop battery and left some nickel metal strips on it, which makes soldering wires easy. So, there you have it. This emergency LED light will now stay bright for more than 4 hours. You can actually add 2 batteries in parallel to make it last longer. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.